Basically, the PBOC head has delivered another warning or a reminder that the country's leverage issue hasn't gone away. How can they deal with it?
Well, that is the absolutely critical question, Francine. And we saw a little bit of a sell-off in China's markets today, bond yields rising, small-cap stocks falling on the expectation that Governor Zhou's comments are going to mean a more aggressive deleveraging agenda, perhaps higher interest rates going forwards.
Okay, I know we've seen a little bit of, for example, market movement on bond yields, and a lot of those went to 2015 highs. Does it take an ugly turn after the People's Congress? Well,
you know, Francine, I'm not sure that the market interpretation of these comments by Governor Zhou is actually the correct one. If we go back to the summer, we had Xi Jinping already banging the drum on the risk of high leverage, so these are not new messages. Governor Zhou, the veteran central bank governor, won't be in his post too far into the future, very likely. That limits the impact of his comments on the outlook for future policy. And perhaps most critically, we heard it from Governor Zhou himself, leverage problem is under control because of the low interest rate environment. If you try and deleverage by yanking up interest rates, that risks crystallizing all of those problems on bank and corporate balance sheets.
Tom, when they go into these meetings, are they managing for a GDP that's a memory of 6, 7, 8%? Or are they managing for a new reality? The 5-year moving average on China GDP is way below what it used to be. Which level of GDP are the politicians managing for?
Yeah, I think you hit the nail on the head, Tom. The outlook for China's GDP remains very much a political question. 13th five-year plan sets a very ambitious target, doubling GDP from 2010 to 2020. That seems to lock China into 6.5% annual growth all the way to 2020. They can do that, but at what cost in terms of debt, in terms of economic imbalances? The question coming into this 19th Party Congress and beyond is, will Xi Jinping manage to find a way of stepping back from that political commitment and accepting a more realistic growth target, which is also a more sustainable target for China's economy?